Sunidhi Kane and I am your host for today's Multitude. I request everyone to please mute yourself and change your layouts to Spotlight. Today is 10th September, World Suicide Prevention Day. It is rightly said, रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के. The current situation is very bleak. People are fighting against a pandemic and various social economic problems. Some of them are choosing to die on the battleground some and end their life. However, suicide is not a solution to every problem. Life is more precious than any problem. Every cloud has a silver lining. So, even when things seem gloomy, there is always hope. A hope brings us a ray of sunshine, happiness, and love. Let us bring a positivity in our life by praying to the Almighty. I request Sherville to come and say the prayer.
दाता मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता. मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना, इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता. मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना, इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता. मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना.
Thank you, Sherville. Thank you, Sherville, for the prayer. Now I request Chinmay to say the thought. Over to you, Chinmay.
The thought of the day. May your choices reflect on your hopes but not on your fears. Thank you. Over to you, Sunil.
Thank you, Chinmay. Now I require now let us get updated with the latest news. I request Niva and Prisha to say the news.
Good morning, everyone. We are your news reporters for today. I am Niva.
And I am Prisha.
I think you all are very excited to know the news. So I'll tell you national news.
And
Oxford
I will
vaccine
tell.
had Oxford vaccine had been stopped the trial in phase 3 in Pune on COVID-19. BMC demolished illegally construction of Kangana's office. India had dropped GDP in negative up to minus 23. Thank you.
Now I will tell you the international news. Autumn shopping and tourism festival kicks off in Shanghai. Major fire at the refugee camp in Greece. Third, Air India Express offers offers home COVID-19 test. Over 10 crore are arrested in connection to social unrest in HK Police. 73% Indian SMBs confident of bouncing back positive COVID report. Thank you. I hope you found it informative.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Niba and Trisha, for the news. Now I request Chinmay, Mohit, and Shravan to. Now let us watch a performance by Chinmay, Mohit, and Shravan.
मर मर के जी लिए एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो ना 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 na 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 na. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again.
कंधों को किताबों के बोझ ने झुकाया, रिश्वत देना तो खुद पापा ने सिखाया। 99% मार्क्स लाओगे तो घड़ी वरना छड़ी। लिख लिख कर पढ़ा हथेली पर अल्फा बीटा गामा का छाला। कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड H2SO4 ने पूरा बचपन जला डाला।
बचपन तो गया जवानी भी गई एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो बचपन तो गया जवानी भी गई एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो ना 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 Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Na 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 na.
Thank you, Chinmay, Mohit, and Shravan for the performance. Now, Pari and Trisha will tell us more about the theme of the assembly.
Good morning, I am Pari. Today I am going to give some information about child suicide after examination. Suicide is often committed out to despair feelings of hopelessness, helplessness, or as a reaction to stress or major life hassles like financial difficulties or interpersonal difficulties, or it may be attributed to some underlying mental disorder such as bipolar disorder, depression, or schizophrenia. It is a leading cause of death among teenagers and adults under the age 35. The rate of suicide is far higher in men than women, with marks worldwide 3 to 4 times are likely kill themselves than females. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Trisha and today I'm going to share more information about the topic. Farmers committing suicide is the most concerned topic. Do you know that Maharashtra is the epicenter in it? The real reason for farmers to commit suicide is debt trap, which they take on 30 to 50% of interest. The debt cycle escalates and the loan makes the farmer lose all its land and money, leading to helplessness and hopelessness. The solution to the problem is not short-term gains like loan waivers or compensation for suicide, but the real solution should be better water management systems, modern farming techniques, soft interest loans, banning private lenders, money lenders, insurance schemes, upliftment, and better payback to farmers by government to live a dignified life. Thank you. Over to you, Sunidhi.
Thank you, Pari and Trisha. Now let us put a spotlight on one of the crises of India.
किसान एक लाचार और मजबूरी की दुकान हूँ और आज मैं अपनी जान दे रहा हूँ। आपको मेरी ये बात सुनकर बहुत हैरानी होगी, आपको परेशानी होगी, मगर आपको इस हकीकत को सहन भी करना होगा। न जाने ये जिंदगी हमारा कौन सा इम्तहान ले रही है। पास पड़ा था किनारा, लेकिन लहर छू कर चली जाती थी। शिकायतें की हमने बादलों से, तो उसने भी गरजना छोड़ दिया था। वो नदियाँ भी हमसे रूठ चुकी थी और इन हवाओं ने भी अपना रुख मोड़ लिया था। बहुत से सवाल हैं मेरे मन में, मगर जवाब देने वाला चेहरा चुनाव लड़ रहा है और मैं अपनी जिंदगी से लड़ रहा हूँ। मेरे मरने के बाद आप भी क्या याद करोगे मुझे? ये कितने दर्द हमने अपने दिल पर लिए थे और न जाने कितने जख्म सरकार ने हमें दिए होंगे। जितने बादलों ने अपनी जिंदगी में बरसात नहीं की होगी, उतने आंसुओं को हमने बारिश बनाकर अपनी ज़मीनों को भिगाया है। कितनी ठोकरें खाकर, हल चलाकर मैंने नई फसलों को जन्म दिया है। खुद भूखा रहकर दुनिया वालों का पेट भर दिया है। हर वक्त धूप और वीरान दरियाओं में तैरते रहते थे हम, और न जाने कितने कांटों को मैंने अपने सीने से लगाया है। एक छोटा सा मकान, एक बीवी और मेरे 4 बेटियां, यही मेरी दुनिया थी, मेरी जिंदगी थी। हमारे सपने थे, हमारी खुशियां थी, उनके लिए सब कुछ करता था मैं। अपना खून पसीना एक करके सबके मुंहों पर मुस्कुराहट लाता था। लेकिन कर्ज में इतना डूबा था मैं कि मेरे हाथ से मेरा मकान चला गया। मेरी बीवी बीमारी से मर गई, मेरी बेटियों की शादी टूट गई, मुझसे सारे रिश्ते रूठ गए। सब कुछ धुंधला नजर आता था, मैं पूरा बर्बाद हो गया था। किस्मत भी मुझे आजमाती थी, रास्ते भी अलग हो गए, मंजिल भी खामोश थी। किसी का साया भी नहीं मिलता था और न जाने तकदीर भी कौन सा खेल खेलती थी। ना दिन थे ना रात थी, एक पल भी ना नींद सो पाती थी। डर तो था हमारे पास, लेकिन जुबान से आवाज़ नहीं आती थी। अब मैंने खुद को बरगद के पेड़ पर लटका दिया है। जो था नहीं था, वो सब कुछ पीछे छोड़ दिया है। गलतियाँ सबसे होती है, मुझसे भी हुई है। खैर, जाने दो इस बात को, बहुत देर हुई है। आप सब मेरा दर्द समझ सकते हो ना। मैं जानता हूँ कि आत्महत्या हर दुख का इलाज नहीं है, मगर हालात ही ऐसे होते हैं कि ये कदम उठाना पड़ता है। अगर आप सब बहुत समझदार हो, पढ़े लिखे हो, चाहे जिंदगी में कुछ भी हो जाए, आप ऐसा कदम कभी मत उठाना। मैं आपके हाथ जोड़ता हूँ। अब बात यही खत्म करता हूँ और चलता हूँ। मैं क्या करता, मैं ठहरा अनपढ़ गवार आदमी। आखिर मैं भी एक किसान हूँ, बेबसी और मजबूरी की दुकान।
Sunidhi, please continue. Okay. I think Sunidhi has left the meeting, maybe network issue. I know many of you are emotional at this moment. Okay. I would like to request our counselor, Latika ma'am, to share her views.
Now I request Miss Latika to please express her views on the topic.
Thank you, Sunidhi. Nima ma'am, the assembly literally gave goosebumps. Thank you for presenting such a sensitive topic in a very, very beautiful way. Thank you for bringing this sensitive topic, suicide prevention, in our assembly today. September month, yes, is celebrated as the World Suicide Prevention Week, and 10 September is celebrated as the Suicide Prevention Day. And the theme for this week is, and the theme for this year's Suicide Prevention Week is working together to prevent suicide. The theme speaks a lot. We all need to work to bring the person out. If he's suffering from any trouble or he is in problem, we need to work together and bring that person out of the problem. We can't stigmatize the person. So we all need to work and invest in our mental health, because if we invest today, we are going to get the returns in the future. So make the person feel special, make the person feel amazing, that yes, we all are there for you. So the person also feels good to approach us. If we are having fever, if we are having cold, we immediately go to a physician. But if we are suffering from mood swings, we hesitate to ask for help. And that stigma should end. If we are having mood swings, if we are having in a bad phase, we need to approach to the right person. Thank you so much.
Now please stand up for the national anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत
भाग्य विधाता जय जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you, Jared sir. Thank you, Latika ma'am. Thank you, Sunidhi. Now I request our principal ma'am to please share her views.
Okay, so again, I must say a very, very thought-provoking and very emotional assembly. And first of all, I would like to appreciate Miss Neema for taking up this topic. Most of the time, we keep children away from the realities of life, but it's important to connect school life to the real life. I think you have done that, Miss Neema, today.
Yes.
So that's very important, because life is not a rose of bed. It has thorns also. And basically, when I talk about this first, as the huge emphasis was also given on the farmers committing suicide in our society, just I want these children to understand that when you leave food in your plate, just think of the farmer, who has had such a terrible life to bring the food in your plate. So always respect the hard work of a farmer, the life of a farmer when you are eating your lunch or dinner or snacks. Sometimes we don't find the taste good and we just throw the entire plate in the dustbin, isn't it? We waste food, we have choices. But imagine they don't have the person who grows food for us is not able to eat, lunch and dinner every day and is deep net into debts. So that's the very bad thing of life. But also, when I talk about this, Twisha, your voice had the pain of farmer, really. Very, very well narrated, beta. And Sunidhi, very well moderated assembly. I think you were fabulous the way you conducted and spoke in the assembly. Very good. That's why I also feel that it's the right platform to speak both to the teachers and students. That why social and emotional curriculum is very important in school. Okay, it is very important. It is important to express yourself. When you talk about children committing suicide after not getting good marks in the board exams, or not even getting a mobile from parents, or having a fight with sibling, so where is our emotional health? Like we do gymming, like we do exercise for our physical fitness, is there something for our mental fitness also? So I think that should also be a part of the curriculum. Because what happens, suppose if you have a bucket of like empty bucket, if you keep pouring in water, if you keep accumulating, will you be able to lift it? No. Why? Because it becomes heavy. Okay, it has the weight. Similarly, if you keep accumulating your emotions inside you, sometimes it bursts out in very not very good ways, and leading to such emotional traumas and people committing suicides. So from children to adult, it's very, very important to understand that sharing is important. Okay, we just need a friends, like somebody to listen to us when we are anxious. But it's also important to share our anxiousness and anxieties either with our friends, or with our teachers, or with our parents. So that is the thing I would like to say. Very nice. Overall, it was really a very good, short, sweet assembly, but had lot of value in it. So once again, congratulations, grade 5 and 6, for putting up this wonderful assembly. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, teachers and parents and all the learners who are present over here. Thank you for your valuable time. Thank you so much.